What is up, guys? Happy Monday. It is June 17th. So in this video, we're going to look at the weekly Bitcoin chart and the Ethereum chart, since that weekly close gives us an insight into what we could expect this week and in the weeks ahead potentially. Now, for those of you who are not yet a VIP member, just a quick announcement, because the Bitcoin halving is coming in April of 2024. Now, if you don't know, that halving event historically has kicked off every major bull market in the past, in 2020, in 2017, and if it's going to repeat again this time, we're looking at major upside potential in the next 1 to 2 years. But this time, it could happen even faster than that, because everyone is kind of expecting it to happen again based on those cycles. So my theory is we could even front run it and actually run up quicker than most people expect. So I want to help as many people as possible navigate this next bull market to be able to play that as good as possible and make as much money from that as possible. And if you want my ongoing guidance and mentorship, my VIP membership is the best place to do that. Every day you get daily updates, my insights, my trade setups, my own personal movements. There's courses, there's training. You get to interact with my entire community there of 2,000 members and more. That's growing constantly. So if you want to join us, I've put together a special offer. The link is in the description down below. You'll be able to join at the lowest price that it'll ever be, with the most amount of bonuses and content that is available for a limited time only. So now is a great time to sign up. As always, it's fully covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk to you. Come and sign up, go through everything. If you're not happy, you can get a full refund within 60 days. And if you find it valuable, which no doubt I'm confident that you will, then of course you can stay with us and I will do my very best to navigate these bull markets and help you get the best possible result in this upcoming bull market. So if you want to take advantage of that offer, click the link in the description down below. Alright, so now let's dive into these markets, and you can see Bitcoin is currently trading at 30,272. So it is down a little bit. It almost hit 32,000, but not quite yet. And that is still the objective, in my opinion. You can see this horizontal line with the big X. That is this high over here from May of 2022. I believe that is still the objective that the price needs to get above, because there's probably a lot of liquidity there. So you can see, if we're looking on the weekly chart, there's been a lot of indecision over here these last 3 weeks or so. And again, that's nothing new, it's nothing out of the ordinary. You can see it actually did the same thing similar over here. We had that big impulse and then 3 weeks of sideways and then continuation up. And then we had almost 2 months here of just grinding down and correction and continuation, then another big impulse, and now we've had 3 weeks here of indecision. So it is very possible that same pattern repeats and we do still get some major upside ahead of us over here. Obviously, there is potential for a correction, but what we have to look at is the bigger picture. And you can see here the 200 moving average in red on the weekly, the 50 moving average here in blue. The price is currently above both of those, and that is simply full-blown bull market territory. So as long as we stay above the 200 week moving average, the price is simply bullish, and it's a matter of time before we continue going higher. The only thing that would invalidate this bullish trend at the moment would be a new weekly close below this 200 week moving average, which is currently about 27,000. So as long as the price stays above $27,000 on Bitcoin, we can chop around a bit. We can correct down there. You know, that's another $3,000. It can pull back down there and then still continue higher. But as long as it's above that price, the trend is simply bullish, and we have to continue to follow the trend until it is invalidated. So ideally, you know, there are people that are looking for downside continuation over here and trickery. At the same time, you know, this consolidation over here under that resistance could be just pressure building up, like it coiling up, creating a plateau over here, sucking in all the shorts before we just get this major green candle to the upside and just blast through it. That is a possibility, and one that I'm actually leaning towards. So let's see if we're going to get that upside this week or next, and what is going to happen that way. Now, just a quick look at the Ethereum chart over here, also on the weekly, and you can see you're currently at $1,930 for ETH. That is definitely not bad. It actually just had a quick wick above the $2,000 level last week. You can see over there, and it's kind of pulled back. But similar situation as with Bitcoin, we are currently here above the 200 and the 50-week moving average, and that is simply bullish. That is simply full-blown bull market territory until invalidated. So until we get a new weekly close below $1,600 on ETH, the trend is bullish, same like Bitcoin, and any consolidation here under this resistance level, under this 2150-ish level, that is just simply something that could be very, very bullish, as it's just accumulating there, coiling up, ready to blast through it potentially. And then of course, if we do get that upside continuation, then we have some nice levels up ahead. I would say somewhere between 2,600 and 3,300, and that is still a possibility if we get that trend continuation this year. And the trend is bullish until invalidated, in my opinion. So let's just be patient and see what the next couple of weeks and next couple of months are going to bring. But I am still bullish, and like I said, we have that Bitcoin halving coming up in April of 2024. Okay, it's less than 10 months away. Historically, that halving, we've seen the price kind of run up into the halving and then explode higher. This time, we might actually see that happen a little bit sooner. That's still my theory of how this next cycle is going to play out. That instead of a major pullback like 2019, where it first dropped all the way back down again after hitting 13K, it dropped all the way to 4K and then went up. Maybe this time we don't get a major pullback like that. Maybe we just continue to grind up into the halving, hit 40, 50, maybe 60,000 by the time of the halving, then explode parabolic, and then peak somewhere in the middle, maybe Q2 or Q3 of 2024. That's my theory. But let's see how it continues to play out a week at a time. And we just follow how the charts develop, because the charts lead the way. And until we get this bullish trend invalidated, it is simply bullish, and we're patient and we follow the trend. So if you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And if you are not yet a VIP member, click the link in the description down below. Take advantage of my special offer. There is no risk to you, 60-day full money back guarantee. You get access to everything, the courses, the training, the updates. If you're not happy, you can get your money back. But it is literally the best deal, value for money that you will ever get for VIP. And it's just simply a no-brainer if you are trading or investing with crypto.